All right, so we have the mother of all letters. Oh, I'm sorry. We have the mother of the person who wrote some of the other letters. Mama said, let me get in on this. So this was filed November the 16th, 2022 in the Circuit Court of Waukesha County, Wisconsin. Dear Judge Dorow, I didn't watch the victims' statements yesterday. I just couldn't. I needed to protect my heart. I'm writing this because I want you to know, and the victims and their families know, that I know their pain and I understand how hurt they are and how they feel. They need to let it be known how they feel. Darrell's behavior shows him to be unfeeling and not caring is not accurate. I see a person who is broken, unmedicated, and one who doesn't have the ability to control his actions or his emotions. He's become emotional, unattached to what's happening. His illness is prohibiting. I'm sorry, I apologize. I don't know what that word. I'm just going to say prohibiting to completely understand and contact, as he showed in his mad, his not doing anything wrong. I apologize. I am truly reading this the best I can. That made no sense. That made no sense. I see a person who is broken, unmedicated, and one who doesn't have the ability to control his actions or his emotions. I guess he's become emotionally unattached to what's happening. His illness is preventing him from completely understanding I don't know, and contact, I guess, human contact as he should. In his mad state, he does not think he's doing anything wrong. I had to read it so it made a little bit more sense because I just couldn't. I couldn't. It still don't make no sense because how would you say that about this child of hers? I'm not even going to give him a name in this one. She ain't giving no name. I ain't going to give him no name. Yeah, it didn't. It didn't make no sense. Okay, we almost done. I have stated before, he's unstable. He's not on any medication to help. Wait a minute. Wasn't he smoking the weed, the marijuana? Didn't you tell him with all your years in the medical field that he was smoking the weed because that made him get the same effect as the medication? Mama, he was going on your medical diagnosis. We can't help him if you can't help him. I apologize. He is not on any medication to help stable and settle his mind. I'm sorry. So what is seen in court is not a person who the remorse, I'm sorry. That's me being smart. That's common. I apologize. So what is seen in court is not a person who has no remorse. It's a mentally ill, unmedicated person who has become detached. Detached from reality. So please don't fault him for his actions. I didn't got this far and I don't know what that say. It's his... What did I say? Oh my goodness. I can't read the last word. That's going to drive me crazy. What the fuck do that say? Oh, illness. Oh my Jesus. I was going to die. I was like, Illinum, I-L, or first I straight saw you. I don't know what the beginning letter was, but I was like, okay, I-U-N-E-M? What the fuck is unum? I thought it was going to be a part of his brain or something like that. Or she had made up oh Jesus, if she had made up OMG. I don't know what I thought, but I was going crazy because you will not let me read this whole letter and then let me get to the end and can't read the last word. OMG, I will call Don Woods today. I will write a letter to her son and tell her you need to give me her phone number because at this point, oh no, I'm going to need to get the last word. I'm going to need to shout. That's just me being, I was about to be mean to myself, but I'm not even going to. That was her writing all day. That was her writing. Donna Woods. Bye, y'all.